horizon slowly opens, and the warm breeze caresses the gaze. Punta Lara, land of calm